Which of these has the lower solubility in water, pentane or ethanol? We should talk about water first. Here is a little model of a water molecule. Now, whether stuff dissolves in a bucket of water has to do with whether it is similar to water's properties. Water is a polar compound. It is a polar compound because its bonds are polar and it is symmetrical. It is asymmetrical with some electrons on this other side right here. It's got a negative end and a positive end. So it's a polar molecule. So we're looking for something that is also polar and as similar to water as possible to debate its solubility. This is a little model of pentane, the 5 carbons in pentane, and I'll stretch it out to its lowest conformational energy state. And this is a little molecule of ethanol, also in its lowest energy conformation. In these structures here, so the thing that's going to have the lower solubility in water is going to be the thing that's most not like water. Okay. This pentane molecule here is a nonpolar molecule with nonpolar bonds and just carbon and hydrogen bonds. So this is nonpolar. And it doesn't have any acid or base characteristics. This ethanol molecule here has some polar bonds between the oxygen and the hydrogen, and some polar bonds between the carbon and the oxygen, and itself is an entirely polar molecule. It also contains some acidic characteristics. A hydrogen bound to an oxygen is a fairly polar bond and a weaker bond, and that hydrogen is likely to be donated in certain conditions. So right now it is looking like pentane, the most opposite of water, will have the lower solubility of this pair. I hope this helps. Thank you.